children.
Welcome, dear explorers, to the town of artificial intelligence. Can you imagine a teacher who has time for you at any hour of the day or night, never gets angry, and explains things until you understand? Today I told you about AI teachers, digital helpers who are changing the way we learn. I invited you to join me on an adventure to discover the future of education. In the Solar Gardens, I met Mecha Turtle and Neuro Monkey. Mecha Turtle said that an artificial intelligence teacher is a big metal robot with a ruler who chases students on the playground when they forget their homework. Neuro Monkey thought it was a special helmet you put on your head that uploads all math directly into your brain while you sleep, like a movie on a disc. Their ideas made me laugh, so I explained to them that artificial intelligence teachers are not scary robots or magical helmets, but smart language models that help us learn. By the light waterfall, I met Robo Squirrel and Robo Rabbit. Robo Squirrel told me how she learns languages with a virtual assistant who patiently corrects her pronunciation and never laughs at mistakes. Because of that, she stopped being afraid to speak. Robo Rabbit added that he uses an intelligent math program that noticed he is good at addition but struggles with fractions, so it prepared special tasks for him to catch up. I confirmed these were excellent examples. Such systems are perfect, patient helpers adapting to each learner. In the tunnel of thoughts, I met Laser Peacock and Mecha Kitten. I decided to test their knowledge and asked what they knew about artificial intelligence teachers. Laser Peacock said they have access to all the world's knowledge in a fraction of a second and can perfectly adjust the difficulty level to the learner's abilities, something no human can do. Mecha Kitten added that such a digital teacher is endlessly patient, never shouts, never has bad days, and judges everyone completely fairly without favoritism. I praised them for their knowledge because these qualities make education perfect and available to everyone. Dear researchers, today we learned that AI teachers are powerful tools offering a quality of teaching that is hard to achieve with traditional methods. We understood that their patience, vast knowledge, and fairness open new opportunities for growth. I hope this knowledge encourages you to use these modern solutions. See you on the next exciting journeys through the town of artificial intelligence.